Okay, you guys, so I wanted to create this video because a lot of you guys have been asking me, hey, Susie, your link for your Amazon storefront, I can't find anything. So this is where my link is going to take you. It's going to take me right. Wait, let me get rid of this. It's going to take you right into the Amazon storefront. So it's going to take you right here. So then you're right here, right? And this is how it's going to look. So you could scroll down and it's going to show you a bunch of things and pictures. So you guys are, some of you guys are like, well, I don't see anything but the pretzel bags. No, that is not the pretzel bags. This is the category. This is DIY happiness. This one's cancer and radiation. And this is beauty and health. And then everything else are pictures that I've been taking to make it a little bit easier for you. So you're going to press on a DIY happiness. If you're here for my DIYs, you just press on it. It's going to take you to everything that I have ever purchased on here that, wait, let me get rid of this. Okay, sorry. So it's going to take you on everything that you need about my DIYs. The pretzel bags, the cake toppers, the keychains for the teachers, the machines that I've been getting, the literally the bags. Okay. The glue, anything that I have purchased and I put on my videos, and I'm putting the link down below. It's right here. So that's all you have to press. Okay. If you are here because of my cancer and I linked a lot of the stuff for my cancer, you would just press on cancer and radiation, and it's going to take you to everything I have purchased from my cancer, which are the hats, the t-shirts, everything you need right here. Okay. I try to make it a little more easier, and then I just added pictures. Let's say you like this cake topper, right? You press on the cake topper, and it's going to show you which is the one I ordered right there. So this is just a cake topper to give you the example. And then all you have to do is press a little heart right here, and it's going to say that you like the idea. So if you guys could do that for me, I would appreciate it. But look at, for the example, the cake toppers here, and then this is the cake toppers. I got 10 of them for $9.98. So some of the pictures I have up, just so it makes it a little more easier for you, so you could just press like, oh, I like the keychains. Here are the keychains as well. It tells you where I got them, 120 keychains. You can also do me the favor and press the little heart right there, just to show me that you like what I'm adding. But for all my DIYers, because you guys are always like, oh, I still can't find the brushes and everything, press on the one you want. This has 152 items. This is DIY. This one's cancer and radiation. This one is beauty and health. And then I have a couple of just pictures of the stuff, how I used it, how I purchased it. And if you do go ahead, like I said, and you want to just be like, oh, I want that bag, Susie, because I'm going to make my own, press on it. It's going to show you the bags. Make sure you give me a little heart and order your bags. It takes you right to the link. You don't have to do none of the work. I am doing all the work for you, but this is how it's going to look. So for everybody who's asking me, this is exactly how you get to it. I provide the link down below on my videos. Go to the link. It's going to take you right here. You're going to see all this. Press on it. Go through it. Make sure you guys like the playlist as well. But yeah, good luck. Happy shopping. And until next time, bye you guys.